Hey guys, welcome back in Coding Bangla, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply make the bullet. Okay, lots of you have a question that, bro, how can I make this bullet that it's spawn in our world and it's go forward, or just go in a x value or y value or a z value, okay, and a value. So how you can create this? So basically for creating this you need to click on right mouse, blueprint, actor. So basically we create a bullet. Okay, so yeah, you need to create a bullet. So I just give it a pocket. Wow. However, just open this. Now you need to add any type of your bullet mesh or anything else. So in my case I'm just adding the cylinder because I have only now this for case of my bullet. Okay, this bullet is looking very weird. Yeah, okay, I think this bullet is enough good. It's looking like a pipe, but however it's my bullet. Okay, now you need to give the command that now you need to say that this bullet should be go in z value or x value or something else. Okay, like you need to go at this position. We want that it's go in the z position. So how you can set up? So how we can tell our Unreal Engine to do this stuff? So for doing this stuff we need to add a component that p r o, and you find this that projectile movement. Okay, you need to set the projectile movement. Okay, so when you set, just click on compile and save. This is the command that it's give the our Unreal Engine command that, bro, this is a bullet, just throw this bullet, okay, in x position, y position or z position. Okay, it's always go in a kind of like a bullet. Okay, so now you can set this bullet speed, that how much speed it should be go the minimum to maximum. So you can set this just at here, that here's the minimum. So in my case I'm setting it 500, and one more is 500. Okay, there you find a option that property of gravity scale. So this gravity, if you think that your bullet should be drop down, like when it's shoot first time, then it will be it's used like a physical simulation, that after then go some time later it should be connected with physicality or gravity. So you can enable this to 1. If you don't want only just straight bullet, so you can set it by 0. Okay, so 1 is done. You need to last of all you need to set the vector. Okay, just set the vector to 500. Okay, 5000 to 500, and there you find that a important thing, that location maximum lag distance. So how much distance it should be go? So you can set it to 3000 to 5000. So in minimum I setting 3000 and maximum I set it 5000. Okay, now we have this bullet. If I just drag drop in my world, then you can see the it's work that play, and as you can see this this bullet is going. Yeah, in fact if we are just just make this bullet as like this, so if I just drag drop my player at here, maybe it's okay, maybe now it's so fast, maybe that's why, maybe, oh sorry, this is not correct position. Why? Okay, let's give this to like this. As you can see, now we are flying like a UE4. Yeah, you can make also by doing this. So this is the bullet function, and that's why you can make your own bullet in Unreal Engine. So I just hope you like my video. So if you have any question, you can comment us in my comment box and let me play with my bullet. Yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Love you all and bye bye.